How to change your Gmail address. Initially, once you created your Gmail address and your Gmail address has been set successfully, you cannot change it. And sometimes our email address is not what we planned for. Maybe you want to combine your name for your Gmail address to look pretty, but somehow you made a mistake or you just get random Gmail address. And this has happened for years. You cannot change that. Rather, you create another Gmail account that suits you. But now, and if you are just being released on Gmail, that will help you to change your Gmail address and still keep the old email address. Open the Gmail account or Gmail app on your device. Make sure you log into your account. Go ahead and tap on the profile icon on top of the screen. Then tap on manage your Google account. Once tap on manage your Google account, you have yourself at this place. Then go ahead and tap on personal information. Here you have name, photo and others. Now here tap on email. Once you tap on email, just wait a few seconds for this page to load up. Now it comes up like this. Tap on the arrow at the front of your email address. Tap on change email address. Now you can see that my email address is the old one. Tap on change email address. Once you tap on change email address, then you have to scroll up to this place. Provide the new email address you want to use here. So once you're able to set the email address and provided the new email address has not been taken, then tap on save change. Once you're able to tap on save change, then your new email address will be saved and you have access to the previous one and the new one. So that's all the same process, guys, on how to change your new email address and still keep the old email address as an alternative. If you enjoyed this tip, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.